Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso Classic Small Duetto, reference Q2668430, or it could also be reference Q2668432. It's size small for ladies, so the dimensions is 34 millimeters by 21 millimeters. I'll tell you a little bit about the history of this watch, where it stands in the lineup of other similar reversos. Then I'll tell you about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start just with a little history. Now, the Jaeger Reverso is probably Jaeger's most notable line. What I mean by that is they have a lot of different collections, a lot of beautiful collections, but the Reverso is their most notable in that it's the most recognizable, and I think that JLC has done the best with a rectangular shape of any dress watch. And I said dress watch because Richard Mille really takes the cake when it comes to sports watch, but nobody does a rectangular dress watch like JLC Jaeger-LeCoultre. So with that said, the Reverso, as you can imagine, has many different variations since it's such a popular collection for JLC. And they've done it in many different variations for men and women in different sizes, materials, dial colors, complications, so on and so forth. And this one's no exception. This one's for ladies. It's very small. So that brings us to the next point of this topic, which is I gave you two reference numbers at the beginning of this talk, and I was trying to see what the difference is between those two reference numbers. The first reference number I gave you, which is what you're looking at here, is actually the 2668430. They added a Q later. It doesn't really matter to add it, but the difference actually this watch was produced from approximately 2010 to 2020. And then in 2020 until 26, which is now, they redid the reference number to Q2668432, 2 instead of a 0. And why that's notable, the only difference is the strap. The strap is in the newer version is blue, but you can actually buy that crocodile strap. And the buckle, instead of being a deployant buckle, is actually a double butterfly buckle. So that's the only difference. And actually this one has a double deployant buckle, so it's actually the same thing. And if you change the strap, then it's actually exactly the same thing. The old retail price was somewhere around $8,000, and the new retail price is $12,500. So it actually makes quite good sense to buy the older version because it's actually the same watch. I checked, it has the same movement, everything's the same. Okay, so with that said, let's start talking about the watch and dive right in. As the name implies, this watch is a duo face, meaning two faces. It's called Duetto. I'm sure that means something in some kind of language, meaning both sides. Duo meaning two. And so let's start with the first side. You have a white dial. They call this a silvered gray with vertical satin brushed and guilloche. So the dial is, as you can see, it's silver, but you can really call it white. It has a guilloche in the center, and it has some nice, like around the hour track, you also have these sort of like notches, also pretty cool little detail. And you have blue Dauphine hands here. These blue Dauphine hands are pretty cool, actually. Kind of like Cartier a little bit, all right? And the thick, I told you the dimensions, the 34 millimeters, 34 going from top to bottom. That's not very big for, and then only 21 millimeters going left to right, 9 to 3. So that makes this a size small. They make different sizes. So this is definitely going to be for a woman, and it's a nice size for a woman. Okay, and then let's look at the other side, and we should also look here at the thickness, by the way. The thickness, incredibly, is only 8.7 millimeters. You can imagine that they made the entire watch with two dials, two sets of hands, two glass, two crystals, one movement, all in 8.7 millimeters. A lot of other companies can't even do that in, one. with one dial, and they managed to do it with two. Okay, so on the other side, they have this dial. It's black with, they call this silvered gray vertical satin brushed and guilloche again. So, oh, sorry. On the other side, they call it the first side is a recto dial. The second side is called the verso dial. I'm not sure why they call it that, but at any rate, the side with black has these diamonds on it, which is also pretty cool. It's maybe you use this at nighttime when you go out to dinner. You try to kind of change it up. It has a frosted minute scale, black opaline, and sunburst guilloche. Okay, so basically it's just a very beautiful black, and the guilloche, as you can obviously, emanates from the center. On the reverse side, it's guilloche in the center and smooth on the periphery. Here it's actually just the opposite, smooth in center and guilloche down on the periphery with diamonds, of course. So I guess you wear this one at night, you switch the other side during day and night, black and white, kind of makes sense, right? And this side, instead of having those blue doffing hands, you have stick hands, which is also pretty nice. Okay, let's move on to the movement. And I checked the movement on both of them. They've been using this movement since 2010, so it's maybe even longer, who knows. But it's a caliber 844. It's a manual wind movement. It does what it's supposed to do, and it is super thin. And JLC is known for making really good movements. So yeah, nice watch. Okay, let's look at the strap now. The strap, as I just told you, it's on here. It's on a black strap. That's how it came on this reference number. You can actually buy the black strap if you like it, even if you buy the new reference number. But if you like have a different strap, you can also buy the blue strap. You know, it doesn't really matter. Straps are interchangeable. They're easily changed. So yeah, and here it's having the double deployant buckle, which is actually what the new reference number is. So it's the same thing. And you can get it much cheaper, by the way. Okay, let's try this watch on and give you my thoughts. My thoughts are the Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso is one of the top watches out there in terms, when you compare it to other rectangular watches. I can't really think of a better rectangular watch when it comes to dress watch. I'm not going to include sports watch because Richard Mille is gonna take the cake when it comes to sports. But who else does a better rectangular watch? You might say Cartier, but I would still say JLC does more variations, and it has longer history, and it's just a cooler looking watch in my opinion. And the fact that it can go both sides reversal is just really cool. And so for ladies, you're going to be able to have both the best of both worlds, something to wear in the day and then switch it over at night. It's also very cool. Maybe match your outfit, light and dark outfit, you know. So for that reason, I'm definitely going to give it a thumbs up. I love the diamonds. I like the price point too. And I like that you can buy an older one, which is not going to really break the bank. So look, if you want to buy at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy at Bezel.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.